this video tutorial is going to walk you through sort of the rules of the Chromebook. The reason we have these rules is to make sure that our Chromebook is healthy and happy, so we have it every day to use for class. So, first off, what is a Chromebook? A Chromebook is basically a tool that helps us to get on the internet so we can access different pieces that we need for our learning. One of the most important rules that we have for the Chromebook is when you're using it, you want to make sure that your hands are clean. If you have a lot of extra stickiness on your hands, that can really gunk up your keys, which can cause your Chromebook not to work properly. When you're on your Chromebook, you want to always remember that it is a tool for learning. It's not a tool for your personal use, it's a tool to access things that you need for school. So when you're on your Chromebook, you need to work the entire time. You need to do the work only that your teacher assigns to you. And remember that everything you do on the Chromebook is monitored by our IT department. So you'll want to make sure that you're always doing the work that your teacher assigns to you and not anything else. On your specific Chromebook, it is set up for your particular grade level, so you want to make sure that you do not change the settings. If you do change the settings, most of them will revert back to the default view anyway, so please do not mess with the settings. When you're using your Chromebook, please make sure any food or drink that you have is away from your Chromebook. That way there's no spillage on the Chromebook, which again would cause it to break and not work properly. If you have drinks or water bottles, please make sure those are on the floor and not next to your device. You'll also want to make sure that you keep your work area clean. Do not set any type of glasses, pens, pencil, pieces of paper on the actual Chromebook. If you were to close the lid with those objects in there, it could severely damage your screen and also cause it to pop off. This is one for our little folks. Just make sure that when you have headphones plugged into the Chromebook, or if your Chromebook is plugged into a charger in the wall, please do not chew on any of those cords. That's just a measure for your safety. Also on the side of the Chromebook, there's lots of different ports and holes, which we'll talk about in another video. But please only put things in those holes that belong there. So the appropriate cords should go in the appropriate holes, but please do not put any toys, Play-Doh, anything else like that into the side of the Chromebook. Please also remember that damages to the Chromebook are paid for by you and your family. There is insurance to purchase, which will cover some of the cost, but please try to keep your Chromebook damage-free. That way you have it to use every day to support your learning. And finally, there are no stickers allowed on the Chromebook of any type. Thanks for watching.